Hey everyone, today we are going to be learning how copy to multiple addresses work. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you have to be on the dashboard, and currently I am on the AutoDS, but you can do it on any dashboard where you can see that copy button. Okay, so if I open the extension pop-up and see that pencil icon and click it, then you should see your pushed addresses will be here. Okay, so what it means is uh, there's an arrow button beside the copy, but there's an arrow button as you can see, and when you push it, push this address as well, push this address as well, and now when you open it, you should see all the addresses you have been pushed so far. And here are the two new buttons, and here are the buttons you see. Uh, what the review button does is when you click it, it it pastes your address in the extension fields. Like when you here you can see the Daniel Askins, and when you click review, you can see Daniel Askins, and it's and all the information. And this paste button and this paste button are exactly the same functionality, have exactly the same functionality. Like when you go to any checkout page, like here, when you click that paste button, here it gets pasted. Similarly, this paste button will work exactly the same. Alright, so that was all. Thank you.